What's up, YouTube? It's your boy T, back again today with another Soul Supremacy beater box as always. Today, man, I got another $740 box, same price as the last box that I got, which was a very good box. This box again was 740 bucks, $700 for the box, $40 for the shipping, from a company called Soul Supremacy out in California. Complete mysteries. We don't know what's in the box. We don't know the size, its condition. It is all random. If you've been following the channel for a while, you guys probably tired of hearing that, but that's for all the new subscribers, all the new people, or the people that just stumbled upon this video, man. So I'm not gonna talk too much. We're just gonna jump right in. 740 bucks. I'm hoping it is just as good, if not better, than the last box I got. With those 13s and those cherry 12s, man. If you guys missed that video, go back and check it out. That box has some heat in it, man. This box has one pair without a box. We got some black toe 14s, no box, size 12 on these. Pretty decent condition. Pre-owned. Check out the bottoms. 14s, black toe 14s still do pretty good. I know people stop messing with retros after 13. A lot of people do, but 14s are still pretty solid. A lot of people like the Ferrari 14s. We got a lot of Jordan boxes. Oh, okay, I see one box in here. I'm kind of curious. Oh man. Alright, I'm gonna do this one. Jordan 7 Retro 9Y. Grade school girls. Jordan 7, these are beaters. I want to say these are like Millberry. I've had these before. Yeah, Jordan 7 size 9. I thought I was tripping. These are beaters though. Yeah, need a really good cleaning. Really good cleaning. They might be, I don't know, super beat. Not too much value there. Another Jordan box, size 9 also. This is a Jordan 7 GG. Okay. We got some more beaters. This is a Jordan 7 also. I'm assuming this is from the same person. These are in a little bit better condition than the last pair. They have some scrapes, some scuffs right here. Yeah, these are definitely beaters. Not too much to talk about here. We'll be going very cheap. That's not a good way to start this box off, man. 3 pair, 1 pair without a box, and 2 beaters. Alright, next up. Yo, we got a 97 OG, this is an undefeated collab, size 10. Woo! Now we get some heat. This is nice. I haven't seen these in person. These are the 97 undefeated collabs. These are dope. They do have the original receipt in the box from Undefeated. This is somebody's Grail shoe. This is Grail status shoe for some of y'all. Very nice 97. 97 is a dope model. Air Max in general are very nice shoes. Check that out. Hopefully it can focus on there. Man, check them out. Them is clean. Air Max 97 undefeated. Very good come up, especially after those last 3 pair. That's very nice. Next up, I got a Nike SB box. We got a Jordan 1 SB. Bruh, we got Lance Mountains. Lance Mountains in a size 11, my size. Unfortunately, the white paint has been taken off. If you are unfamiliar with these shoes, man, Google them. These shoes come all white, and then it normally rubs off into that bread and royal colorway. These are dope. size 11, retro 1. Trying to get it to zoom in. Still has some star loss, as you can see. Still pretty good condition. Man, another Grail type shoe. Jordan 1 SB with the extra laces in the box. Box is in great shape. That's my first time ever having a Lance Mountain, I believe. So. I forget. I didn't have so many shoes. I got a Jordan 12, 9.5. The last box had cherries. I know for a fact these aren't cherries, but all right, we got, I want to say UNC 12s. I'm not sure. These are size 9.5. This is the original box. These will need a deep cleaning. Size 9.5. Need a good cleaning for sure. Slow it down so you guys can see it. Check out the bottom. They still have a lot of life. They just need a good scrub. And these probably won't be going for too much. I like 12s, one of my favorite models to drop. 9.5 on those. I got 2 left in this box. I know this box because I've had these before. We got the LeBron All-Star joints. These are, see if I can remember how to open this box. Oh, they not beaters either. Oh my gosh, these are nice. LeBron 8 All-Star from 2011. These are a size 11. These are in super clean condition. Check those out. These are hard, man. If you're a LeBron fan, you probably want to grab these, man. These are fire. Pre-owned, I would say easily 9 out of 10 condition. Insoles still have all the writing on them. Check them out. Size 11. Trying to get some good angles for y'all just to see the bottom and all of that good stuff. The box is a little beat up, a lot of beat up, as you can see, but the shoes are not. That is a great pickup, man. And I was kind of saving this box to the last. The box is a little damaged on the top. We have a human race, NMD Trail human race. These are a size 9.5. All right, we have the Pharrell human race. Had these before, not this colorway. These ones say moon and clouds on the top. These are in very good shape. And again, this is probably somebody's grail out there. I know a lot of people go crazy for NMD and human racers. These are super clean, very, very good condition. They're probably gonna sell really fast. Size 9.5. Check out the top. These were, I'd say, probably worn just a handful of times, man. These are very clean. Check out that boot, still really white. Shoelace is still really white. This is Grail type status, man. I think between these, the undefeated, and those Lance Mountains, man, we got grails on grails on grails in this box, man. So I'm happy with it. 740 bucks. These alone will probably bring close to half my money back. And the Lance Mountains and undefeateds and those LeBrons are crazy too. So I'm really happy with this box. 740 bucks. If you guys missed the last video, go back and check that one out. I still have some shoes available for it. Make sure you follow me everywhere at TGOTSOLE. That's Instagram, Twitter, eBay. And if you see anything in this video, you can just email me or DM. You can email me at tgotsole@gmail.com. All the links for everything should be down below. And I think I want to do like another Q&A, man. I'm gonna do like probably within like the next 2 or 3 videos, just take questions, because I get a lot of questions from fitness stuff to shoe related stuff to just random stuff I get asked in my DM and email and in the comments down below. So if you guys have any questions, I'm gonna start taking all questions and just put together a Q&A video. So if you guys want to know anything about me, about Soul Supremacy, well, I don't know too much about Soul Supremacy, but if you guys have any questions about beater boxes or whatever you guys might want to ask, just leave the questions down below, and I put everything together and come up with like a quick little Q&A video. We almost at 5,000, man, so that's big. I was surprised to hit 1,000, so times that by 5. I'm pretty happy with that, man. I know it's not large to some, but it's big for me, especially we just unboxing used shoes, man, so nothing to be glorified for. I appreciate each and every one of you guys taking time out your day to watch these videos. I'm gonna quit rambling. Again, leave questions down below. Let me know what you guys want to know, and I'll try to get to it in that Q&A video. Like I said, within like the next 2 or 3 videos, I'll just take questions and compile them all together and do one Q&A video. So I'm gonna get out your ear and out your face. Y'all have a blessed one. I'm out. Peace.